confidence. It's a word that carries so much weight, so much aspiration. We all want it, this elusive feeling of self-assuredness and belief in ourselves. But what is true confidence, and how do we attain it? Confidence is not about being perfect or always knowing the answer. It's about believing in our ability to learn, to grow, and to navigate the challenges that life throws our way. It's about embracing our strengths and acknowledging our weaknesses, all while holding our heads high. True confidence comes from within. It's not something we can buy or borrow, and it certainly can't be faked. It's a journey of self-discovery, a process of building ourselves up from the inside out. In a world obsessed with appearances, it's tempting to try and fake confidence. We put on a brave face, plaster on a smile, and pretend that we have it all together. But this facade of false confidence is fragile and fleeting. Faking it might work in the short term, but it's exhausting and unsustainable. It prevents us from being our true selves, from embracing our vulnerabilities and imperfections. When we pretend to be someone we're not, we erode our own sense of self-worth. We start to believe that we're not good enough as we are, that we need to hide our true selves to be accepted. So how do we cultivate genuine confidence? The kind that radiates from within and empowers us to live our best lives. It starts with self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a dear friend. Embrace your imperfections. We all make mistakes. We all have flaws. It's what makes us human. Instead of beating yourself up over your shortcomings, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Every step forward, every challenge overcome, is a testament to your strength and resilience. Allow yourself to feel proud of how far you've come. Real life, confidence, stories of growth. Think about a time when you faced a fear or overcame an obstacle. Remember the sense of accomplishment, the boost in confidence that came with it. These experiences, big and small, are the building blocks of authentic self-belief. I've witnessed countless examples of this in my own life and in the lives of those I've worked with. From the stay-at-home parent who returned to school after years away, to the entrepreneur who took a leap of faith and started their own business. Each story is a testament to the power of believing in oneself. These individuals didn't wake up one day, overflowing with confidence. They cultivated it over time, through hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace vulnerability. Embracing your confident self. Building true confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing our authentic selves, imperfections and all. It's about having the courage to show up in the world as we are, without apology or pretense. So go out there and be your most confident self. Celebrate your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and never be afraid to shine. The world needs your unique light. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with a friend. And remember to subscribe to The Moving Window for more uplifting content